Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. I've been asked to have a look at a Worcester Bosch today. I'm just going out to it now. It's going through ignition process about 3 times and it just locks out. So I'm just going to go diagnose it and see what's going on with it first. I've got a good feeling it might be ignition electrodes, but I don't know. Let's wait till I go down and have a look at it. They've sent me a film and I'll be sharing that with you as well. Now, recently, I just had a haircut as well, and I've been having a sore throat. I think there's a bit of infection going around out there. So look after yourself, guys. Regarding my hair, I only wanted a bit cut off. I just said to the barber, just cut a bit off, just a little, and the man cuts an inch off. What the hell, man? And this is not an inch. But anyway, that's what it is. So the hair's gonna be short, man. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, this is what the customer sent me. It doesn't really tell me much apart from the boiler goes through the ignition process 3 times and just goes into a lockout. So at the moment I've just got an open mind. We'll go down, we'll see what's going on with it. Right, I'm here, got the cover off, and we're just going to put the power on and let's see what's going on with this boiler. Right, exactly the same thing. It just goes through ignition process and just goes into a lockout. So it has 3 attempts and then it just goes into lockout. So I've turned the gas isolation valve off. We're going to open it up and we're going to check the electrodes out first. Guys, if you got a broken down boiler, it's really cold out there, so why not give us a call? We repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Worcester Bosch, Vaillant, many more. So we also repair domestic and commercial. We repair Gladial boiler of water heat tanks too. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. We also do gas certificates, landlord gas certificates and boiler service. So I've got the fan out and guess what I've noticed? What the problem is. Found the problem on this boiler. Now the gas valve outlet pipe, it was damaged. It snapped. So it's a common fault on this Worcester Bosch, unfortunately. So I've got to get a new one of them. I'll fit it in and hopefully we'll get the boiler working for this good family.
Totally redesign the part there.
Yeah, it's a common fault, unfortunately. Let's need that. Now, because I had the boiler already open, I checked the electrodes out. The flame detection probe, that was, well, it's worn out. It's badly worn out. It's probably going to get another 6 months or out of it. So because I had the boiler already opened out, I wasn't going to charge them any labor. So I just asked them if they want me to change that as well. And they said, yeah, just change that. So just the cost of the part for them. Oh, believe me, it is for alarm. You don't know what they're up to. I've been...
I guess that's it. You see all sorts of things.
That's basically it. Good. Yeah, no, it doesn't bother. You know what? A lot of elderly people, they like to watch. They like watching because, you know, they like a bit of a company. And once I went to one elderly person, he said, I'll leave you too. And you could tell he wants to just watch. I said, no, stay watching. He told me that last engineer come down. He goes, if you're going to watch over me, I'm going to leave. I felt so bad for him. I go, nah. I go, don't worry. Yeah.
You've got a problem solved, haven't you? You've got to look at it and go, diagnose the fault, what's not working on it. Yeah. And it puts people under pressure, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's true. It just what's happening, yeah. Just switch to gas. Right. Just to make sure my checks are done. Don't make a fool of myself. Yeah, just. Right, let's reset and let's go. Do you want to do the honours? Do you want to do the honours? Right, help reset. Yay, got it, man. Listen, just going to pressurize that a bit more, yeah. Yeah.
Maybe then I say it's cold, but it's not.
It should be going through.
It's pretty warm, yeah. I was going to go, no, it's cold. It should be hot.
Yeah, it's cold. I can feel the pipes here. Yeah, nice and hot there. And if you reduce it there, so it gives a bit more time in the thing. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Yeah, it's all sorted now. It's all working fine. All I gotta do is now is my safety checks and I'm out of here. Guys, sorted this Worcester Bosch out. The gas inlet, gas outlet pipe on the gas valve was broken, probably wear and tie, and because I was here, I changed the electrodes as well. Though the flame sensing probe was a bit weak, it was on his way out, so I changed that for him as well. So it's all working fine now. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Birmingham boiler fix. Right, guys, finished the job and on the Worcester Bosch. I thought it was going through a lockout. It could have been a gas valve, could have been a circuit board, it could have been many things. But anyway, the pipe just after the gas valve was worn out, and that was damaged. And I think it was a mixture of air and gas was not right, so it's going into a lockout. So anyway, that's sorted, and the word board is working all fine. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy.